We have one such professional from the Startup Oasis right now, Mr. Apurva Sharma. Hello, sir. So let's start and view. My first question to you, sir, is that I would like to know about your designation and company you work for. Where and what does your company do?
Okay, so I work for CI and it's a program named Startup Oasis. So my designation here is Manager Startup Support, and basically CI works with aspiring entrepreneurs and new age businesses and startups. And Startup Oasis basically works for ecosystem development in the field of entrepreneurship in Rajasthan.
So my second question is that what is your job function, the role of your job?
Okay, so for startup support, what basically I do is I work with startups at an early stage, right? So I help them with basic business modeling, go-to-market strategies, and there are certain things in each and every business which you could avoid to get more traction. So the main problem with the startups is basically lack of resources, and if in case you're already scarce of resources and you end up wasting them, it doesn't make any point. So we work with them and we give them some tips and tricks. We work on some certain frameworks so that they could reach to a level where they can undergo their operation optimally.
That's very good. So the next question arises that how did you actually get into this profession? I mean, what actually made you to take up as a career?
Okay. So basically, I am an engineer by education. So I have a work experience, in basic corporates for 3 to 4 years. So I was, very excited about entrepreneurship. So I came back to Jaipur. I started my own venture in hyperlocal space. And so I was excited about this whole idea of starting something new, which is not existing in the market and has a huge potential and is highly repeatable. So I started on my own. I worked with various people. I've been a part of this community earlier also. So this brings me here. I mean, I'm still in the startup community. I love the level of energy here. I love the support people. I love the network.
Basically, you are loving what you're doing.
Yes, exactly.
That's what everyone needs to be. So the next question for you, sir, is that can you describe one of your best and one of your worst experiences in your profession?
Okay. So basically, experience is experience. You may make it best or worst.
Yeah.
So I can't categorize it. So because I've in last couple of years I've seen many success stories and many of the companies shut down. However, what I have realized is the founders, the promoters which start a new venture, they evolve to something else. I mean, there is a lot of learning which takes place in the process. So, as for this particular profession, I don't have any bad experiences. So, even if a company is not working out, there is a lot to learn for the startups and the co-founders.
So, sir, actually, do you believe in the quote that success comes from experience and experience comes from bad experiences?
Yeah, you can say so.
Yeah.
It is not necessary though.
Yeah.
So there are ways, So if you work logically in the market, if you have certain people who are mentoring you, you have certain connections which can you will learn from others' experiences. So it's not necessary that you need to fail first, then you will get succeed. Like that.
Okay. One last question more, sir. For the young generation, that is the youth of today, who are aspiring to take up your profession in their future, what would be your guiding advice? I mean, how would you motivate them to take up entrepreneurship as a career?
Okay. So, first of all, entrepreneurship, I mean, it's not a strategic career, path. So, one needs to have passion about it. If you are passionate enough to do something, what you are doing, you are loving it. So then only you can choose this path. And if you have found something which you are passionate about, so then you need to work on it. You need to meet more and more people. You need to do work on them. So most of the time, what we advise to startups that don't sit in the office. So ultimately, any business works on consumers. So go outside, meet more and more customers, meet more and more people. Right? So it structures your business in such a way that the probability of success increases.
Alright, one such punchline that you would give to the young aspiring generation.
Okay.
Just one line that you actually follow in your life.
Okay. So basically, dream works.
Yeah.
When it works for it.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Thanks, sir.